Hi everyone. Okay, I got my Spellbinders kit in for this month and I wanted to see what it's all about. I have avoided all the spoilers, so I don't know what any of this one looked like. So let's see. How exciting. I love getting kits. They're just so fun. Okay, this one is, it looks like a ballerina, a cake, and a 50s dress? A little sock hop dress. That's what it seems like. So 10 cards, 7 pieces of cardstock, set of 10 dies. Okay. So that's bust, by the way. So here's our standard 10 cards, 10 envelopes. So sorry, the glare is there right now. And then we get, let me do the boring stuff first, because this is the boring stuff. Okay, so we got gray cardstock, vanilla, a silver foil, a baby pink, a peach, a white, and a black. Now their paper is a little bit more on the thin side, so I think it's more, it's better, not more good. It's better for backings than it is for an actual like card base. So just to let you know, because it seems really thin and it's textured. So yeah, so I would use it as a base. So that's that. And then let's do the other standard, which is you get the foam dots and the tape runner. The little tape runner there. And then let's do the, oh, look, we get sequins. Not that you don't know what sequins looks like, but they're pretty big. So we got, looks like 4 big ones and 4 little ones, I think. And then this is the stamp set. Can't tell what it looks like. Oh, so it has a ballerina that you can put together. It's hard when you get card kits because they don't, you don't know what you're getting. I mean, you do, and you can skip a month. So I could have easily have seen this kit and skipped. But I like the mystery part of it too. But it is always hard to get kits, and you're never going to be like 100% happy every month. Like, I really don't have, I can't really use this set because I don't, have anybody who's young enough to get it. But the sentiments are beautiful. The sentiments would work out perfect. So I would keep it for the sentiments. So I don't have a nana. I don't have a sister. I have a daughter, a friend, and a mother. So I have that. So yeah, you can use. So you got to keep that in mind. Okay. So if you want to be surprised, then you can't skip a month and, so I can't complain because I did not look, is what I'm basically saying. So here's a ballerina. If I would have looked, yeah, honestly, I would have skipped this month, only because, it's hard. I don't really have a use for this. It is our friends who make our world. This bus is really tired. Ooh, look at though. But I always find something though, like 50% of it I absolutely love and I will use, so it's not a problem for me. So I will keep all of it and it's not a problem. It's just sometimes, like the stamp set, it's not, it won't be used as much. Let life surprise you. I love tags. Tags are my jam. I love tags. Look at the ballerina one. Cute. Be happy, be bright, be you. Oh, cute. Oh, look at this one. This is beautiful. It's a silver foil. Do you guys see that? That is beautiful. These are like 3x4 cards, little Project Life cards. Super cute. If you stumble, make it part of the dance. Oh, how sweet is that? That is awesome. Okay, let's do the paper pad next. Let's see what we get with this one. Wow. Okay, so you get, oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. So I think you get 3 of each pattern. So it'll repeat. And there's no back, so it's just one-sided. So the black is awesome. Ooh, that's beautiful. Very, very fancy. Hairball. And let's see. Cute. More ballerinas. Is it ballerina season? Is that what? It's spring. So is there a lot of concerts going on? Is that what it is? Oh, pretty. I love that. The silver foil is just beautiful. Oh, look at this one. And this one has foil on it too. Can you guys see that? That is awesome. Love these. So, okay, and it repeats 3 times. So, and that's the paper. And I love this. Oh my god, I love puffy stickers. These are foiled foam stickers. Oh my gosh. I could have like 4 of these and be happy. This right here, like I said, I love this. This is awesome, and the tags are awesome, and for me. And then what else is awesome? So the tags in this like are so far my favorite. This is just so cool. Oh my gosh, look how awesome they are. And then I'll show you, look how thick they are. They're the foam, so they're really, and then they're really sticky. So awesome. Oh, look at the little bow. This is awesome. Yeah. I think you can buy separate stuff, so I think I might end up buying more of those. And then here is the die cuts. You get die cuts, and I think you get 2 of each, if I remember correctly. 2 of each. Let me put the black one back up. This one, so we can see it. So you have bicycle. Let me scooch in. So close your eyes. So there we go. Sorry. Oh, look at the phone. And the phone, not the foam, has silver, has the foil. Let's see. Look at the, do you see that? How cute is that? It's awesome. So, envelope. Yeah, all of these are foiled. Celebrate, charming, dance to the beat of your own dreams. Oh, I love tickets, little admission tickets, because I like putting embellishment clusters together. Let me put that up closer to you. So, let me see. Let's see, just be you. See, it's a silver foil. And then we have, ooh, Oh Happy Day. So you have Oh Happy Day. There you go. Oh Happy Day. And then you got a swan, another ticket. Oop. Sorry, camera. I didn't mean to mess you up. There we go. A swan. Wonderful day. I'm going to scooch you in a little bit more. Oop. I'm going to scooch you in a little bit more. That way you guys can see it closer. Okay. And then we have the little tag. It doesn't look like there's 2 of them. So it looks like they're only giving you 1, which is cool. So you got that one. They have the butterfly. I love all the sentiments. The sentiments are awesome. Lovely, love. Oh, look at this one. Hello. Oop. Hello. Yeah, there's only 1 of each. That's cool. There are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. They actually have, Spellbinders has, for the card kit of the month, they actually have design teams for that. So you can go see like Nicole Spore, I think that's her name, and like Cards and Coffee. They are part of the design team, and they show you how to put the cards together. I think they do 10 cards with this kit, so which is cool. So if you need inspiration, they're there. So, oh, how pretty. This one says, sisters by birth, friends by choice. How cute is that? Let me show you. They're cute. He's tired, guys. Oh, look at, I could easily handle having like 5 more of the coffees. Oh, look at the bow. The bow is super cute. Yeah, so you get 1 of each. Okay, so that's cool. So you don't have too many die cuts. So let's look at the actual dies. I'll lay them out. So you get the dress part. You get the star. You get a thing that looks like a bugle. It's not, but oh, and then here's the top. Here's the top, and then oh, look, and you get a hanger. How cute is that? It's cute just to have a hanger. I mean, you have a hanger die, so that's awesome. And then this says you something. And here's a bow one, and oh, it says you are. Yeah, I can't read backwards or upside down. Let's see what it says. It says, it doesn't tell you. I wish it told you, because sometimes I cannot figure out these things. What do you guys think it says? Wonderful. It says wonderful. Wait, does it say wonderful? No. Magical? Maybe magical. Maybe it's you are magical. Ooh, maybe it's that, huh? I'm sure it shows you somewhere, but I just... Oh yeah, right here. It says magical. Oh, look at that. See? Magical. You are magical. Okay, I got it. So, I bite my nails, guys, so just ignore that, because I don't spend money on false nails, because that money could go towards scrapbooking stuff, so you're just gonna have to ignore it. So, that's awesome. I love it. Okay, $35, and you get all of this, and I'm super stoked. I love that. All right, guys, take care. We will see you all next month. I do have the small die of the month, but that didn't come in yet, so kind of weird. Anyways, you guys take care. We'll see you all next month. Bye.